Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was down 0.5% today. The catalyst, at least according to the news, is the testimony for Chairman Powell, the Federal Reserve Chairman, in front of Congress, reiterating the fact that they feel like two more rate increases will be likely for this year. And even after those comments, the futures market that bets on what's going to happen with the Fed funds rate is still only betting on one increase in July, and actually very low probability of an increase past that for the rest of this year. And so the futures market's actually been more accurate about what's going to happen with Fed funds rate than the Fed has been. But there always is that concern that there's a disconnect. Market thinks that this should be happening for these reasons. And then the Fed, kind of ignores some of those reasons, continues to raise rates. It's a big fear, really, that they go too far with the rates. It's happened quite a few times in the past. So there's some reason the market came down there. Although we're in an environment now where this is the third day in a row with a downturn. And just as I mentioned, we've got the situation with this big rebalancing that's happening at the end of every quarter. And in my opinion, the market was going to come down anyway before this. So because we've seen, all kinds of things happen and the market goes the other way. And really, the thing that I always find interesting is that, the market goes one direction and the news picks something and says, okay, this is why it happened. And so if it would have gone up today, there'd have been some other reason, something that maybe Powell said that they thought was positive or what have you. So I think, the basics of the market is supply and demand. And right now, with these big pensions and target date funds selling stock and rebalancing into bonds, that's just kind of how it's going to go. So nonetheless, no real changes to our signals today. We're at green on both of our stock, and then, of course, the green and yellow on the bonds. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Please hit the subscribe button if you get a chance. We're making a push to try to get some more subscribers. If you want to help us out, you can do that also. So otherwise, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you very much.